And all of you, I request you to put your microphone on and give a big hearty applause to our champion, Jagdish. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Just hold on. Huh? I now will block everybody's microphone. Everybody's mics off. And where are you, my champion? Jagdish, where are you? Speak.
Hello, sir. I'm here. Can you hear me?
Wait. No. Say some more. No,
Hello?
you're in the other room. Hold on. You're in. Say something.
I'm here, sir. Can you see me in the first? I'm thinking the first room.
You're in the first room. Let me get you in the first room. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Maybe I'll raise my hand. Sorry.
There you are. Just next to me. That's the nice place to be. You're already in the right position. Hey, how does it feel, Jagdish? Show us your license first of all.
Yes, sir. This is my license. I have not removed the plastic cover also. It is still there.
Keep it. Good. Well done. Bravissimo. We are very proud. Soon all of us will be flashing this also. So, Jagdish, very briefly, for the newcomers, first of all, where you found us out, and in a very, the couple of minutes, your experience of when you joined and how this helped, and especially in the theory, the quiz we did before, and whatever knowledge you had. So you have the word.
Oh, thank you, sir. So I think I found Ambrish class on an social media platform called Reddit. That's when someone I was looking for to get an Italian license, and someone posted the YouTube channel of the Ambrish sir's link. When I was going through the YouTube links, I think it was then a right opportunity, and the vibe was also the very positive vibe to give a confidence that we can get an license. So when I had just had a call with him, it was just a 2 minutes call or 3 minutes call. He said, let's do it. Let's come to the class on the evening, do the trial class for three classes, and then you can decide if you want to continue or not. So the trial classes really helped me to choose the decision about it's very taking the Italian vocabularies, how to train ourselves on the Italian vocabularies just specifically for the patente. So when I said people that I got my folio rosa, nobody believed. So like, how you don't know Italian? Even my autoscholar did not believe me. It's like when I had 4 people present with me on the theoretical, and when I came in, everyone was actually was not passing except me. He came to me at the last. After saying this, I didn't even understand did I pass or not.
He used the word idoneo.
Idoneo. He used it. I did not understand even that word. I was again asking, did I pass or did I pass? He said, yes, go. He said. Then I messaged the autoschool, and then they confirmed me that you have passed it. So the autoschool also did not believe, even though I didn't understand what they say. You passed it. I don't know how you passed it, and it was theoretical was very difficult. The autoscholar did not put any much effort in the translation part. So it was purely from Ambrish's class, the translation, the vocabularies, and other things. The rules I was very familiar with. Thanks to you.
Thank you, Jagdish. No, thanks a lot. Now you've done a very good job. Actually, Jagdish also basically just followed every instruction. He didn't question, he didn't say, he didn't use his logic, he didn't do anything. He just did what was told. And I saw from his progress, from the day one, he's done exactly everything. And he came to the point where he succeeded. And the day before his exams, day before all your exams, I'll be doing one-to-one quiz just with you and me. And the day of your exam, I'll get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I'll do again quiz with you, prepare you mentally and physically how to face the exams. That is the most important thing. Despite of all the knowledge of the world, you are still capable of failing because you can't control your emotions. In your heartbeat, in your mind may play strange things with you. And so that's why people come to me, because they know that in the shortest time, with the effortless, you will pass. And it should be a fun procedure. So this is Jagdish. Thank you very much. Hold on. I will stop the recording.